lot of fun listening to that little, it was just this cheap little piece of plastic, but it meant a lot to me.
You remind me of me, it's not a
like fun and games, keep playing them. I'm just saying, think back then we was like one and the same, on the right track, but I was on the wrong train. It's like that, now you gotta face the pain, and the devil's got a fresh new place to play. In your brain like a maze, you can never escape the rain. Every damn day's the same shade of gray.
Hey, I used to have a little bit of a plan, used to have a concept of where I stand, and that concept slipped right out of my hand, and now I don't really even know who I am. Yo, what do I have to say? Maybe I should do what I have to do to break free, and whatever happens to you, we'll see, but it's not gonna happen with me.
I guess that this is where we've come to. If you don't want to, then you don't have to believe me, but
There's no place inside like my castle. I'm pressed for time, so I buried the capsule. The very next move is to lose again. I think the scariest move is when you choose to end. My interviews are used to reduce my few movements. Soon I confuse a room of new students. Do you wish upon a star? Or do you understand that's the way things are? Not far from now is where I grow indeed, and not far from here is where I plant my seed. I take a chance with each as I reach in my secret. I carry it deep to repeat and seek treatment. Frequently I sleep dreaming away. Too much to take shape, I'm flushed in some states. I touch the function so I fluctuate. Struck with luck is what assumptions make.
Set sights and move along. Don't fight just to prove you're strong. It's never right when you're in the wrong. It's like life after death where you don't belong. I cope holding on to the rope that's attached to a boat in the ocean. The motion afloat can show my devotion. I can fly without wings and without strings, without all of these things, and still reach the sky. Defy lies, surprise. I shut eyes that open wide, close mouths with a word, and loosen up ties in disguise to redirect the only left breathless. Take back was mine, redefining my presence. In essence, regression progresses in distress. Repressed concentration at the edge of your chest. My vest full of heart, hardly room to pull my love aside. For who? Not only you, cause the most of me died. I'm not supposed to rise from that.
Where'd you go? I miss you so. Seems like it's been forever that you've been gone.
She said some days I feel like shit, some days I wanna quit and just be normal for a bit. I don't understand why you have to always be gone. I get along, but the trips always feel so long, and I find myself trying to stay by the phone, cause your voice always helps me to not feel so alone. But I feel like an idiot, working my day around the call, but when I pick up I don't have much to say. So I want you to know it's a little fucked up that I'm stuck here waiting, at times debating, telling you that I've had it with you and your career. Me and the rest of the family here singing Where'd You Go?
I miss you so. Seems like it's been forever that you've been gone. Where'd you go? I miss you so. Seems like it's been forever that you've been gone. Please
Come back home, you know, the place where you used to live. Used to barbecue with burgers and ribs. Used to have a little party every Halloween with candy by the pile. But now, you only stop by every once in a while. Shit, I find myself just filling my time.